Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Professional. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Flash Fill to separate text and number within 5 seconds. Alright, so let's go. This is what you need to do. Alright, okay, so let me show you within 1 minute, then we go back to do it within 5 minutes. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. Right, this is text, and then this is what we have here, right? And this is number. So the first thing you need to do, we have the department, and then we have this employee, right? So this is the department in a clinic hospital, right? So what we need to do is to just click on this, and then go to your text box, copy this, right? Highlight this, Control C, then paste here, right? So we are good. Then what I want you to do is copy this. Okay, so highlight this, put your console of this, and then highlight this whole column to cover everything that you need, right, where you want the text to populate. Then I want you to go to Home tab. Under Home tab, I want you to go to this, right? So you see this arrow facing down under Fill, click on Fill. Then I want you to do Fill, Flash Fill, and voila, you're done, right? Okay, so for the employee ID, I want you to type or copy this number. I prefer to copy, it makes my work faster, right? Works better. Then paste this number, right? So let's change this to, let's remove this, let's make this general. Okay, so I don't want this to have comma at the end. Okay, so then again I wanted to copy this, right? Let's do this within 5 seconds, and I want you to press Ctrl E, and voila, you have everything that you need from here. So Ctrl E is a shortcut for this fill then, right? So Ctrl E, and that is how you populate. This is how you separate text and number under 5 seconds, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.